Welcome back to another video. This is our fourth lesson in solving equations. Okay, we're going to get a little harder again. Example 1. 6x is equal to 4x plus 12. Well, this means 6 times a number has to be equal to 4 times the same number plus 12. This gets a lot harder for people to guess. So we're going to use the same strategy we've been using in the first few lessons. We're going to put a line down the middle, and whatever we do to one side of the equation you must do to the other side. Notice there are x's on both sides, so we're going to have to get rid of one of those x's. On the right hand side I can see 4 x's. So to get rid of 4 x's we're going to take away 4 x's on the right. But if we take away 4x's on the right, we must take away 4x on the left. On the right, 4x take away 4x makes 0, and we're left with this positive 12, which we're just going to write down as 12. On the left hand side, 6x take away 4x leaves 2x. So we've got this equation, 2x is equal to 12. That's step 1 done. So let's move on to step 2. On the left hand side we see 2 times x. To get rid of a times 2 we divide 2. But if we divide 2 on the left we divide 2 on the right. On the right 12 divided by 2 makes 6. On the left hand side 2 divided by 2 cancels to 1, leaving us 1x, so x is equal to the number 6. Quick checks. On the left hand side 6 times 6 is 36. And on the right hand side 4 times 6 is 24 plus 12 more also makes 36, so x is equal to the number 6. Alright, let's move on to example 2. 8x subtract 5 is equal to 3x plus 10. This means 8 times a number take away 5 is also equal to 3 times the number plus 10. This gets very difficult to guess and check, so let's solve it once again with our strategy. Line down the middle. We notice x's are on both sides. We've got to remove one of the x's. On the right hand side I can see a 3x. So to get rid of a 3x we're just going to take away 3 x's. On the left hand side we also have to take away 3x. On the right hand side 3x subtract 3x leaves 0, leaving us the plus 10, so we just write down 10. Back on the left hand side 8x subtract 3x leaves 5x, and we still have our subtract 5, which we haven't done anything with yet. So we have a statement 5x subtract 5 equals 10. That's step 1 done. Let's move on to step 2. 5x subtract 5 equals 10. We see a minus 5 on the left hand side. To get rid of a minus 5 we're going to add 5. If we add 5 on the left hand side we must add 5 to the right hand side. On the right hand side 10 plus 5 is 15. Back on the left hand side that minus 5 plus that 5 makes 0. So all we're left with on the left hand side is 5x. So we have a statement 5x is equal to 15. That's step 2 done. We're finally ready to do step 3, the last step. We see a 5 times x. To get rid of a times 5 we divide 5, but if we divide 5 on the left we divide 5 on the right. On the right 15 divided 5 makes 3, and back on the left 5 divided 5 cancel to 1, leaving 1x, so x is equal to the number 3. Once again a quick check. On the left hand side 8 times 3 subtract 5 does work out to give the same answer as 3 times 3 plus 10, so we know x is equal to the number 3. Thank you very much for watching.